Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm not sure you'll be able to see all of this because it's kind of high on the turntable. It's an 18 by 24 inch pre-primed black canvas. It was white. It's got one coat of black Meeden paint on it. If you want coverage in one go, and you're capable of it, which I am, Meeden is the way to go. So I'm going to do some things I'm not used to doing, which is to start my swipe on the far side and the middle and work my way toward this side, and we'll see what happens. That is some folk art color shifting red. This is some neon pink, also from folk art. It's a matte. I am going to grab, what am I going to grab? I had it in my mind a moment ago. Maybe I will try some of the Hot Orchid. And see how different that is. I think the purple is next. And that blue needs to be opened. It was opened a very short amount of time ago, but it isn't now. So I'll be ready to put that top back on. Let's grab my amethyst purple. Put it right on top of... Really? Okay, another one. Now I'm going to use my Meeden black. Oh, I need that to be open right now instead of pretending. Because I'm probably going to use it in the middle. This is the Venetian blue I'm talking about that's in my hand. It does seem to be open. So, this is the card I like to use. It's part of packaging. I sort of gave myself a little handle. I like to use it this side up, assuming that that's the curve. Put a fairly decent sized puddle on there. I have other tools now and I have been using them. I did not put any white metallic in there and I want some. Without that paint chip. And that's not satisfying at all. Okay, I have a much bigger bottle and that will work. Yes, it will. Not sure about... You know what? If I'm not sure about that white, I'm going to give myself some turquoise. Which I think is the color I made up myself, but you can find this color pretty easily. I think it's got iridescent pearl fine in it. Now my card is still ready to go. Now I've seen what's happening, and that means that I have to make some choices. And I'm going to use a little more black. And I'm just going to go with my own personal inclinations. By using my residuals and making blocks. Now I've got an interesting start. I don't want that spinning. Maybe I can use my torch as a brake. Or maybe I can't. So I'm thinking what I really want to do Let's use some more of that turquoise right over here. And some of this hot pink, neon pink. Some more Amsterdam black. Go in both directions. I want to pick up this color and use it. Swipe both ways. I keep picking up the wrong white container, and I've wrapped this one in sticky wrap so that I can peel it off when I want the bottle clean, and I think I'm hooked on this. I realize what I haven't used that I want to use, and I'm hoping there's an open version of it. Yay! I call it Velveeta, but it might be called Dairy Lid by someone else. I've got some paint that I can knock off on my edges. Why not? Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. I have found quite frequently that a double swipe doesn't hurt me. I am going to be doing something with those, I think. Definitely want some more red. Color shifting red. And some orange. I haven't put my favorite purple in there. I definitely have some colors I can use. Let's just go up here for right now. Let's put some more Amsterdam Black Cell Activator on there. It's got pre-stained wood conditioner in it by Minwax. Triple swipe. Interesting. Usually my swipe colors will start wherever I start, but if I triple swipe them, all bets are off and you get what you get, which might be a surprise. It might be a good surprise, it might not. I am taking my chances, for sure. I want to take all of that paint that's on that card instead of wasting it. I think I want some more gold. I never did use the blue, but I might finish with the blue. The Venetian blue. And I haven't put my purple in. I'm sort of saving it. That's not something I've done before. Oh, I've got really nice colors to use up on my card, and they're working quite well to cover the edge. Oh, didn't mean to put all that on. Oh well. Let's put that blue in there. Some more blue in there. Yes, I like the blue a lot. Almost as much as I like every other combination. Alright, a little more of that black. I want some white, I've just decided. That's not coming out of that one, but it will come out of this one. And this time when my muse speaks, I'm listening. And I heard pink loud and clear. Now I can't go in there unless I grab another tool, which I certainly can. Yes, I dribbled. Never mind. I'm still dribbling. I like making marks. I'm not sure I'm happy about that right there though. Probably shouldn't think twice about it because it's no big deal. I have a nice little card that I can put some more black on. This one's a weird one. I am liking that blue a lot. Also liking that purple a lot. I'm not minding adding some cross pieces. I just don't want to go overboard. I may not want to do anything else to this actually. I could swipe down through here. The question is, do I want to? The answer is really no. I could change my mind though. Let's grab a little more Amsterdam black. See if there's anything else I want anywhere else. I'm kind of wanting some pink over here. I do occasionally just like to put lines in, and evidently the lighter the touch, the better, and the slower I go, the better too. I have some white, but not really what I'd call enough. So let's do something about it. I'm nervous. Grab some more. kind of liking that. I should torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I might want some more of this color. I really like this color. I'm not really sure what I'm doing right now. You know, if I mess with that color too much, I'll wind up with some greenish mud. If I had to put paint on the other side, I would have some of those keyholes on this side too, and that might be nice, but I don't have them, so I better not lament them. So I guess I'm not done, but I'm not sure where this is going. I suppose I could use it as a part 1, or I could do what I always do, which is wait for tomorrow and see how I feel about it when it dries. I know I can eventually get to where I want to be, and I do have another couple minutes left to tell you guys there's over 93,000 of you subscribed, and if you're new, please be welcomed. And if you're not new, thank you for still being here. And I'm thinking that that's the ticket. That Hot Orchid from Color Art is the thing that's making me the happiest. But I have another color I like too, which is the Neon Purple from Folk Art that I added. Added some iridescent pearl fine into. When the paint is nice and deep, I like stealing it and putting it other places. I think that's going to help me out. I think I'm going to like that. Adding some texture in there. My Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula available on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is below the link tree, or on the link tree. The link tree is below the video. Yep, I'm definitely pleased with adding my little lines. So, I think I am pretty well within a minute of telling you guys thank you for everything, including all the donations that helped keep me painting all this time. Not many of those are coming in these days, but I'm still appreciative of everybody who's helped me. If you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing, a donation is the best way to do that. You're automatically entered. If you use PayPal or Patreon icons, oh, I like that. I'm having fun. I was having fun already. Yeah, I'm definitely liking this a lot. I could just keep on working on it. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind, and check on my link tree for Le Gallerist clothing made in Montreal with some of my exclusive patterns on gorgeous clothes. And every bit of income that goes through the studio goes to help support the production of videos. So I really appreciate you guys shopping. And if you are interested in shopping less expensive stuff,